Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about rabbits. Let's go. Number 1. Rabbits are mammal group. Number 2. Rabbits are also called bunnies and the baby rabbit is called kittens. Number 3. Rabbits can live up to 12 years. Wow. Number 4. Most of the rabbits can actually turn their ears 180 degrees. Wow. So this is why they are called master of hearing. Superb. Number 5. Rabbits have almost 360 degree of vision, but they are born with their eyes shut. Oh pity. Number 6. Rabbits communicate using a secret code. Wow, this is very intelligent. Number 7. Bunnies binky when they are happy mood. Wow. Number 8. Carrots are the best food for the rabbits. Wow. Who are all like rabbits? If you like rabbits, hit the like button to this video. Thank you, kids.